Haya abantu bathi abekho mnandi ngayi. Ushiya.
Gogo. Ushayela ibeat.
Loud
mali ngithanda kakhulu ngisebenza kakhulu ngiyasebenza ngale kakhulu mali ngithanda kakhulu ngisebenza kakhulu ngiyasebenza ngale kakhulu Amen. Ngempela impilo izoshintsha ngempela masikile endaweni bafuna le break nobani ngempela into eziningi bala keep pushing sikuba khuphu sibajulini sibaphethe siyakhulu asibona mara okay asibala ngenye into le makuzathi east is up Israel east is up tell me east is up asi eshu okay asambekana okay isitolo satholakala east is up step 4 Israel angakhamba besibheke Israel vele that's why nje east is up east iphakeme asibonge yazi mos Israel iphakeme se Israel mos banjani abantu base east bani ngathi abekho mnandi khambani ishu amen mangathi east is up Israel east is up tell me east is up ngicela ibayitweni nje egcina nje ngicela nje ishu east is up Israel east is up it is up Israel east is up it is up asishaya phela it is up Israel east is up it is up Israel east is up west side east is up south side north side east is up there it is up Israel east is up it is up Israel east is up there west side north side east is up south side ishwa stone yabona khona isitolo satholakala ama-price achipi ayiport ama-140 ama-club atala ku-120 130 150 aphelele ishu ini ma-t-shirt 150 200 izinto zatholakala ama-hoodi 300 usangayithola i-discount yakho ishu asiyenze ishu sibonge yabona emapatsileni